Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. Okay, so today I'm gonna share with you guys my shop with me with my mom. We had way too much fun. I'm going to pre-warn you, my recording was a little choppy. Guys, when I go shopping, it's like my hands start to shake. You know, the Lord is trying to help me because I need help. But anyways, it was fun. I enjoyed editing the video. I enjoyed being in the video, obviously recording. I enjoyed myself that day to the fullest. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to come back on Thursday, the 28th. I will be posting our shopping haul. I think it's pretty funny. My mom was listening to me and she was cracking up. Because you guys know I think I'm a comedian. I'm a little bit funny. No, but for real, it was funny because even like going through what I bought, I was just like, okay. But anyways, we'll stop, Caroline. So we're going to first, you're going to watch the shop with me, enjoy yourself, put yourself in the store, go get stuff if you see that you want, fully enjoy yourselves, and then come back on Thursday the 28th so you can watch the haul. Love you guys. We're happy lovey. Yes. Guys, just look at this view. I'm dying. Well, look how cute these are. This is supposed to look like Ray Dunn. It's $10. But with the 50% off, they're $5. Mira, cookie jar.
Ay, qué lindo.
Oh, people are going crazy for this, but yeah, this is the glass one.
Why they get crazy? Why
They put all kind of stuff in here and they put it in the kitchen.
Ay, qué lindo.
Target
Like
had
the white
them.
one.
Yeah, but you see how they're all gone? There's one more, $5. Should I get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it goes with your kids.
See? Bad, guys.
No, it's good.
First thing. I said, should I get it? Yes. Okay, I'm going for the candy theme for my kitchen, which is mostly what I'm looking for. Mommy, mira. It's only $8. Look, and it has a little rag,
Oh my
Mom.
God, that's so cute.
Y
to do
se
the
saca.
cookies.
Yeah, mira, you could clean it.
Let me see the other one.
A snowman. That's cute. This has the trucks with the trees. Let me see. No hay otra.
No, this is the best one.
Wait, what's this black? Oh, that's a snowman.
No, I like
Yeah,
this
that's
one.
the best
They
one.
all gone, that's why.
No, really?
They all hang more.
They have all these little...
The doggy one is gone.
I don't know if I should do gingerbread. Mami, mira.
Oh yeah, give me one of those because I'm taking that and taking the whole thing.
That's so cute. Mira, the drying mat.
Give me one.
So that's how much? This is $8. So it's $4. Yeah, and then this was $4 too.
Okay, give me.
I'm so excited.
Mira, qué lindo.
A girl had this in her kitchen. I have to show you the girls. Oh my God, her stuff was beautiful. These are $5 each.
They're 50%.
They have salt and peppers. We just figured out this is
I
a...
want this. So
Yeah,
cute.
you should
I have
get
to
them,
do a box and
just
send them
mail
home.
it, yeah.
Okay.
This is a timer, so when you're baking, you don't burn things like me. Look how cute, the salt and pepper. Okay,
Yeah,
I think there's
for
more.
my mom.
Mom, so what you do is you add everything to the cart and then you take things out after once you think about it, okay?
Okay.
So don't you worry, you grab everything you like.
I don't know what
Mira, it says happy birthday, Jesus.
That's beautiful for you guys.
The
Can
reason
you-
we celebrate. I should buy it for my kids.
Yeah, and that's how you guys do. Mira,
Yeah. Mira, mami, qué linda esta. These trees are beautiful. Guys, my heart is racing so quickly right now.
I know, I
I
want
need
everything.
to slow down. Okay. He's crying? Mira qué lindo estos platos, mami.
Oh my God.
Look at these plates, guys. They're my house they'll break, but I'm just saying they're cute. They have these snowflake thingies. Is it like a filler? I don't know what you would do with it. The napkins.
This is beautiful.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, you can put on your table.
I know. I love this woodsy theme.
That's what I'm saying. You like it. How much? $2.99 though, ain't half price.
That means they're $1.50. I have this cup, like all these little mats that are shiny. Let me show you guys. They're $2 each after the discount. And then they have this runner. A lot of people ask me about my runner in my dining room. It's not exactly the same, but it's nice and thick. And then they have that one. Look at this. Mommy, mira. The 12 days of Christmas is a different, you know how you open it? It's a different coffee each time. It's only $5. I think I'm going to get it for Chad. Because I'm going to get one for the boys. Okay, so these are napkin rings. It's $7, so they're $3.50 each. Is that a lot? You need 6.
And those?
These are $6, so these are 3.
We have to think about it.
Okay, we'll think. We want to put in the cart, or are you more lean? And you could use it more than just Christmas.
Let's put 6 and let's see what is
Okay,
going.
we'll think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Because mine over there is not open yet.
Guys, you wonder where I get it from? That lady right there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Guys, all their ornaments are amazing. Okay. She's going crazy like I am. Look it. They have soccer for my boys. Yeah? So this is $5. And then, oh, they have a gaming one. This is cute. I'm sorry. Okay, this is the section I want, which is the gingerbread. Okay, look at this. Mom, look at these houses.
Take me everything.
Okay. We're gonna have the same kitchen.
That's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, it's so perfect.
Little one.
Oh my god, this freaking cookie sheet. Get another one. Guys, OMG.
Something else. That's so cute.
Okay, wait.
We need this
I'm overly
one.
excited. Mom, look at this. It looks like a real cookie.
We need all this.
Okay.
Those two. Mira, everybody's taking them.
Wait, you need one more of that other one. Wait, how much are these?
I don't know.
We'll decide. Just these are only $1.50.
Yeah. So if they don't have, I can take whatever.
Okay.
So they're like, mira esto.
Guys, look
Mira
at the
esto.
avocado toast. It's soft. Mommy, touch it.
Oh my God, yeah.
Me lo quiero comer. I want to eat it.
What else we need?
Okay. Look it for the baby.
Yeah. What is this?
2021 spread Christmas cheer. Oh, that's a charcuterie board.
Mira, niña, the house.
Okay, yeah.
want the
And look
house?
at this.
We need that one too.
Okay. And wait, there's.
We can take another house.
But wait, we don't have that house. Do we have a? Oh, we have this house. Okay, it's not fitting.
This is too much.
I will never understand why Hobby Lobby's carts are miniature. Yes, get to.
All this.
Mommy.
This is to put where in the kitchen, right? We're doing this in the kitchen.
Oh, well, it didn't break, so we know it's shatterproof. We'll decide later, Mom, okay?
Ya cogimos todo.
Espérate, no tenemos dos de estos.
Mira, everybody doing this.
Yeah, they're stealing our idea, Mom. why is empty? Everybody got doing the same thing. So it makes you want more, right? Mira cupcakes. It's soft too. It's like a plush. Look at this. I don't know. I think I want to do candy too. Okay. We'll decide this way. But I think I want them all. That's cute. All right. I gotta put my thinking cap on. Okay, so we hit the jackpot with, what is this called? Gingerbread. This is broken. How much are you? 15. This one's 15. This is 15. I really like this little snowman, Mom.
Oh my God, beautiful.
It's only $8. Should I get this one because he has the s'more stuff? Or this one, he has marshmallows with like a drink.
Let me see. Pero si vas a hacer un coffee, necesitas el de coffee.
You think this one?
Yeah, I like that one.
Okay. They have all like the glam and the pink here and the woodsy stuff. I don't know if I should get this. I think I want to put it in my kitchen. But will I be mixing if I get candy stuff with this? I know, but will I mix? Will it be like stupid mixing? La nieve, ¿verdad? I think I'm gonna grab it. You want one? $6.50. Yeah? Yo te enseño. Guys, look at these garlands, how freaking beautiful they are. I love this gold one. And they're only $12.99. Like, you can't beat that. Well, with the 50% off. Look, guys, this looks so elegant. It's so beautiful. They have pink ones, and they're $5 with the 40% off. They have the 50%. Plaid. I mean, 50%. My little brother's not happy he's shopping. Look at these. Guys, look at these ornaments. They look so, are they expensive? Oh my God. Well, yeah, that is expensive. 24 for $30, but with the 50% off, it comes out to 15. Guys, look at all these trees. This is beautiful. It looks real. Okay, so it's normally $500 and on sale for $250. Is it heavy?
That's a good deal. No, it's not.
Wow, this is so freaking beautiful. Guys, look at the bigger one. It's 9 feet. It's $350 for a 9-foot tree. That's not bad. And look, guys.
Please call attention 13.
This is not giving it
Please call
justice.
attention 13, code 1.
Look at how full of snow it is. And then they have their 12-foot trees here. And that one's $500. This thing is a monster. Guys, look at these pigs. They're so beautiful. And these flowers, to die for. Look at all the signs. They're so beautiful. I want that truck one up there. Okay, we're trying this coffee that's keto. I knew she was gonna say,
No, it's real good.
I'll tell you guys the truth. Okay, so what she had. Ooh,
Yeah,
that
it
does
is
look pretty.
good.
Okay, so she got an Americano with, because we found out that Dunkin' Donuts has the flavor swirl or the flavor shot. So she got the shot of coconut. So I'm gonna try mine in just a second. I'm driving. Okay, so I got a latte with a shot of what was mine? French vanilla. She's not lying, guys. It's really good. It's, you know, it has that taste, the no sugar taste, you know, like the Splenda aftertaste, but it's okay. It's better than nothing.